Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Excuse me, is this the line for the checkout?
Yeah, it is. Long line today.
Tell me about it. Just grabbing a few things for dinner. You?
Same here. There's something therapeutic about chopping veggies.
No way. I love making Alfredo. Do you add anything special?
A dash of nutmeg adds a subtle flavor. You?
I throw in some fresh basil. It elevates the taste. We might be culinary soulmates. Speaking of dinner, want to join me for a cooking session? We can exchange tips.
Sure, why not? I'm always up for culinary adventures. What time? This kitchen is impressive. You must love cooking.
It's my stress reliever. What about you?
Same here. There's something therapeutic about chopping veggies.
The secret to a good Alfredo is patience with the sauce.
Patience is not my strong suit, but I'll give it a shot.
Not bad, right?
The nutmeg and basil, a match made in culinary heaven.
So, Ryan, what's your story? What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. It pays the bills, but cooking is my real passion.
I'm a graphic designer. Always loved the creative side of things. Ever tried combining your love for cooking with graphic design?
How do you do that?
Food blogging. It's a thing. We document our culinary adventures.
That sounds interesting. I'm in. When's our next culinary adventure?
How about a weekend cook-off? We pick a theme, cook, and document the whole process.
Thanks for the invite, Jessica. This was surprisingly fun.
Who knew a trip to the grocery store would lead to a new friend and cooking buddy?
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Absolutely. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. I'm Olivia, by the way.
Ethan. Nice to meet you, Olivia.
What brings you to the park today?
Just taking a break from work. I find the park relaxing. You?
Same here. Nature has a way of calming the chaos.
What are you reading?
It's a mystery novel. I love getting lost in a good story. You a reader?
Absolutely. I'm into sci-fi. Anything mind-bending.
Work has been hectic lately.
Tell me about it. Deadlines, meetings, the usual grind.
Sometimes, I wish life came with a pause button.
What do you do to escape the daily chaos?
I paint. It's my sanctuary. What about you?
Music is my escape. I play the guitar when I need to unwind.
Painting and music. That sounds like a beautiful collaboration.
Imagine a canvas filled with colors inspired by music.
We should do a collaborative project sometime. A fusion of your music and my paintings.
I like that idea. Let's make it happen. How about next weekend?
You know, this feels like one of those chance encounters that turn into lifelong connections.
I believe in those. Serendipity at its finest.
I'd love to continue our conversation. Can I get your number?
Of course. Let's stay in touch, Olivia.
Looking forward to our creative collaboration, Ethan.
Me too, Olivia. Until next time.